Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make up to $100,000 or more per year as a Google Ads specialist. Alrighty, so if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, $100,000 or more per year, I imagine I would be. So if I was you, I'd stick around and watch this whole video because I'm going to show you how you can accomplish that very thing. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and get started on this, guys. Like I always like to do, for those of you that are new to my videos and this is your first time to my channel or my videos, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right there on your screen. And anytime during this video, at your leisure, whenever you feel like it, and hopefully you want to, I want to invite you to reach down below your video there and click on that red subscribe button and click that little notification bell there to the right of it, so that you get notified of when I upload new videos and you can come and take immediate advantage of the videos that I upload. As you can see, there are, there's about 500 videos that teach you how to make money online right here on my channel, guys. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in on this. I'm sort of anxious to show this guy to you guys. This is a great thing. First thing you want to do, you may think, well, I'm not a Google Ads specialist. Well, that's okay. I want you to come over here to a fairly unknown site. Not many people know about this site right here, guys. Coming over here, it's called Skillshare. You notice it's by Google right here. And I want you to pay attention to the address bar right up here, guys. It says Skillshare. Look right here. Skillshare.exceedlms.com. Come over to this site. It is Google's Skillshare site, as you see right here. And it's not much to this page, but if we scroll down here, you can see it says, welcome to Skillshare. It says the one-stop shop for every kind of learner who wants to succeed with Google professional tools and solutions. So what you want to do, there's not a lot of people that know about this site, guys. So what I'm showing you here, the nice thing about this too, guys, everything I'm going to show you here is 100% free, and you should be able to access it from anywhere in the world, okay? And what you want to do is going to click down here where it says Explore Courses to get started here. So we'll click on that, and that brings us over here and is showing all the different topics. You have Google Ads, Google for Education, Marketing Platform, Analytics, Google My Business, YouTube, Google Ads Manager, Google Cloud, Ways, everything to do with Google and the Google Corporation and all of their ads platforms and so on and so forth. So what we're going to concentrate on today is Google Ads. So I'm going to, let's see here, we're going to click on Google. Let's see here, there's a couple of different ones here. I think we'll click on Google Ads here. And then it brings us over here. It says grow your skills using Google Ads to advertise your business online and get Google Ads certified. That's what you're going to do today. You're going to get Google Ads certified, and you'll get a plaque or a piece of paper mailed to you at your house by Google showing that you are a certified master of Google Ads. And then I'm going to show you how you can make some really great money with this. Now, so the first thing we want to do is a couple of things here. There's two things we want to get certified on. I'm going to say two here, but you can do them both, or you can do one or the other. You can pick any one you want, but I'd go with Google Ads right here, certifications, and then I'd also come down here, Google Ads Video. Yeah, that teaches you how to run YouTube video ads. Why? Because Google, well, everybody, I think most people know that Google owns YouTube, right? That YouTube is a product or a subsidiary of Google. So you want to click here, for example, any of these, I'd go for the Google Ads and the Google Ads Video here. But if we click on Google Ads certification, it brings us over here, and you can see right here, Google Ads Display certification, Google Ads Search certification. They got all the courses here, guys. These are all 100% free to take. Google, even the video is right here too. Google Ads Video certification, demonstrating your ability to get results from YouTube and Google Video advertising solutions. Right here on this site right here. So you only have to click Google Ads certifications, plural there. And then, but yeah, you can get certified. Now these courses are short; they're not real long. This one here is about, for the Google Ads video here, guys, for YouTube. It's about 4 hours long to get the certification. Then you can proceed to get certified, as it is right there, and get your plaque or piece of paper that shows that you are certified in Google Ads on both YouTube and even the Google Ads display certification, which is those ads that run alongside the Google. When people do Google searches, you have the Google Ads, and even the ads run in the up and that are listed when somebody does a search. That's that Google Ads display certification. It's only 2.6 hours. These are all video lessons, guys, and it's beginner friendly. This is for beginners right here. Even the one for the video, it's all for beginners. Guys, you can get certified in all of these Google Ads certifications right here. And then once you get your certification, and you're certified, then now how are you going to make $100,000 per year with that specialized knowledge that you just gained with Google Ads? The way you're going to do that, you're going to come over here to this particular site right here, guys. This is just one. There are others, such as Udemy. You can set up a class on there too. You're going to become a teacher here on Skillshare. Notice over here in the address bar right here, guys, I'm at Skillshare.com. You see it right there in the address bar, only I'm on the teaching page right now. And you can start a class right here. Once you get signed in, you can sign in with your Google account or a Facebook account, Apple ID, and you can create a local account here on this site as well. I just logged in with my Google account, guys, and then come over and clicked on the teaching thing right here. As you can see, we're on the teacher side here, and it says inspire creativities and others and teach on Skillshare and share your passion with members around the world. And it says right here, why teach on Skillshare? When you help others along their creative journey, it's rewarding in more ways than one. It says right here, top earning teachers make 100,000 plus per year, guys. You can take your certification from Google Ads or Google YouTube video ads with that knowledge that you've gained in your certification and come over here and use your certification and post that in your class, or it says right up here, you can start a class where you can read more down here about it, and you can click on down here where it says start a class right here, and you can put up your Google Ads certification in a picture right there when you create your class so that people can see that you are a specialist with Google Ads. Alrighty, and then they'll be more apt to take your course, and you can make up to $100,000 or more per each year right here on Skillshare. Now, guys, you can do this with Udemy.com. Udemy is a teaching site too. You can set up a class there and probably even double your money there on Udemy, plus what you're doing here. And it's a video course. You just set the class up one time in videos, and it's there forever, and people can sign up. All you do is just create or collect your passive income of the people who sign up to take your course on Skillshare or Udemy. One other thing that you can do, guys, is you can come over here to PeoplePerHour.com. You see it? Look at it up here in the address bar. PeoplePerHour.com right here. And you'll notice that right here I typed in Google Ads. After I clicked on Browse, I came here and I clicked Search Projects, and I clicked on Google Ads. You can see right here that there are people that are looking for help with Google Ads. Look, Google Sheet template for Google Ads. They're going to pay $27 and need someone to help with a Google Ads account. Going to pay $108. It may be like a one-time setup. Looking for Google Ads Professional, $250. And guys, Google Ads Specialist, $134. Google Ads Management, $141. Guys, it goes on and on and on. And you can take these up. Do these jobs on the side. Well, after you get your class set up over here on Skillshare, you can come here and help these people that need help with their Google Ads here too, and collect up all this money as you help these different ones, and it just goes on and on and on with these Google ads, guys. And there's 16 pages of it here, guys. You see, people need help with Google ads because they obviously don't know what I just told you about coming over here to skillshop.exceedslms.com and learning for free themselves. So you have an opportunity to help these people with your knowledge as well. How about over here on Fiverr? Could you do that same thing over here on Fiverr, guys? Come over here to Fiverr. It's fiverr.com. You see it right up here in the address bar there. And you can do that very same thing right here. Look at these people. I typed in Google ads right here, guys. And you can see here, and you can see that there's all kinds of people here who have probably done this same thing that I showed you to do here on Skillshop. And now they've got their service going on over here. And look at the prices they're charging to set up Google ad campaigns. $200, $480 here, $1,510, some are even cheaper. And it just goes on. You can set up a gig over here on Fiverr and do this very same thing, helping people who need help with Google ads and so on and so forth, guys. And that is how you make over $100,000 or more per year with your knowledge from the Google Ads certification shop here, Skillshop. And get your certification paper and use that to your advantage and make yourself some life-changing income. Guys, that's the video I had for you today. That's a powerful method. If you like that method and how to make money like that, come over here and give me a thumbs up down there below the video. Click on the thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave any comments or questions that you have down below, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell if you forgot about it when I told you earlier. And go ahead and do it now while you're thinking about it. And also, if you want to learn the formula for high-ticket affiliate marketing, if you like affiliate marketing and you want to learn the formula for high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to reach down there below my video in the description at the top and click where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and watch my free video presentation that will show you the formula of how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer starting today as well. Alrighty, and guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. Don't forget to watch the videos up here as well, and I'll see you in a couple of days or so, okay? You guys take care. Have a great day. Talk at you later. Bye-bye now.